You want to hold on to all the hats, the gloves, all the things, tie it down because we have another gusty day ahead of us. Some impacts to your Friday. We're calling it a gusty day, not exactly a weather impact alert, but we expect gusts as high as 40 to 50 miles an hour, and that goes throughout the afternoon. So what do you need to prepare for? Prepare for isolated power outages. Not everyone will be seeing that, but be prepared for that with this type of gust, especially near the lake shore. We have a lot of wind energy inbound for us. We have this tightly wound low pressure system in the central plains, and that's going to be heading in our direction. Also bringing some rain with it. So hold on to the hats, hold on to the little babies, hold on to all of that because it's going to get gusty throughout the day. And we have rain arriving throughout the overnight. We're not expecting a lot of rain, but any heavy downpours could bring those gusty winds.